Swipe is a stage where organizations can make marked virtual or actual cards for their clients for exchanges internationally. Clients can rapidly send off their program with banking accomplices. Swipe will deal with the administration issue, consistence, and organization financial matters. Swipe tokens associate with significant installments frameworks universally and assist organizations with switching their digital money over completely to stable coins or fiat-supported cards quickly. Swipe card empowers admittance to the expert card, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and some more. It has a decentralized, Swipe network-empowered, cross-chain convention on finance-savvy chain and Ethereum. Swipe was established by Joselito Lizarrando in 2018 with an expect to make crypto interoperability with customary money, and it was subsequently gained by Binance in 2020. Swipe has for the most part three parts. First and foremost, the fundamental organization which creates check cards, Swipe programming interface, Swipe trade, and so on. Besides, Binance, the principal partners joined forces to bring improvements. Swipe biological system, which incorporates decentralized application, local area, and in conclusion its clients. Interesting elements of Swipe coin. The SXP token is the local digital currency of the Swipe. It controls the SXP environment and oversees the decentralized convention. According to the Swipe token Financial Matters, the complete circling supply diminishes when the organization is more used. Swipe wallet can be utilized for installment for every one of the administrations given by Swipe, making recommendations and deciding in favor of convention changes. Clients can pay more than 60 million vendors overall and used to take part in liquidity mining programs. Market feelings and cost of Swipe coin. The ongoing cost at which Swipe exchanging the market is around $1.27, with an exchanging volume of $112,514,804. It has a market cap of around $249,375,781, a completely weakened market capitalization of $308,057,039, a most extreme inventory of $239,612,084 SXP. The greatest cost at which Swipe exchanged was $5.86 on May 3, 2021, while the base cost was 16 cents, which was a long time back. Specialized examination shows that Swipe cost today is exchanging negatively. In any case, after the negative sign development, the sideways exchanging go on for the following couple of days. After the bullish pattern of SXP exchanges from July to September, the Swipe value bobs and hits $4.66 on August the 23rd of September. 7 is the dull day of the crypto market. The whole digital currency market has plunged, breaking every one of the forecasts. Swipe financial backers go to sell Swipe mode and benefit booking. The cost of Swipe has tumbled from $3.92 to $2.13. SXP cost proceeded with a sideways pattern without making new levels. The ongoing cost of Swipe coin is around $1.27. The following prompt obstruction level is $1.80. In the event that it breaks the level, it will hit an opposition level of $2.35. The significant obstruction obstacle for the year is $3.52. Transient specialized examination shows that Swipe digital currency needs to break the $1.80 opposition level to arrive at the Swipe cost in the $2-3 territory. According to examination, $3.52 is going about as a significant obstruction level to enlist another high of Swipe. However, it may not occur in that frame of mind since many factors generally impact crypto coins and the crypto economy. This is the exchange set of Swipe from the last month onwards, despite the fact that it gave enormous benefit for financial backers somewhat recently. Last month a moderate misfortune book. Swipe was sideways in the equal scope of $1 to $2. According to the anticipated level, it will turn bullish by breaking the sideways zone and getting the force soon. The cost of Swipe is moving beneath its 20 mA, 50 mA, and 200 mA. Dread and avarice record is put at 4, and that implies the Swipe cost could move toward any path. Digital money lovers or don't know about the Swipe risk. Specialized pointers for Swipe value expectation are displayed in the figure. The MACD line might cross the sign line in the impending meetings, however, isn't sufficiently able to climb. Relative record strength is set at 37, which is impartial. The cost neither demonstrates the purchase Swipe signal nor does it show the sell signal. Market feelings on Swipe cost are nonpartisan, and a similar will go on for the week. Prompt help is put at $2.31, and significant help levels are 62 cents and 15 cents. Breaking the $1 support zone can make an unexpected fall in Swipe. At this point, specialized investigation isn't demonstrating a separate underneath the significant help zone, and a transcend obstruction levels can take Swipe into a higher worth zone. Indicates that the token is a wonderful long-haul venture decision. In view of the examination, the cost might arrive at a greatest degree of $6.15 by 2027, on the off chance that dealers put resources into the coin today for a long time. They might procure a benefit of around plus 396.05%. What's in store costs of the token is anticipated to be bullish. Toward the finish of 2023, the base cost can be $6.32, while the cost can arrive at a most extreme worth of $8.55. The typical exchanging cost for the year may be $7.43. The crypto market is very developing, and the costs of SXP tokens will likewise fill from here on out. It can arrive at a greatest value level of $12.68 constantly 2027, while the typical cost is supposed to be $11. Swipe value expectation 2022 to 2026. The swipe cost conjecture for what's in store is extremely bullish. On the off chance that the coin can break critical mental obstruction levels, the worth of the SXP token might increment and make another unequaled high. It is a success in an extraordinary cryptographic money accessible at a lower cost. The worth of coins might increment soon, on the lookout. Swipe cost is supposed to increment and give great returns, constantly finishing itself assuming worldwide signals are in favor. Merchants might put resources into plunge for a decent return. Risk is an inescapable piece of the crypto space for financial backers who will face challenges. SXP can be another expansion to their portfolio. Swipe value forecast 2022. The SXP estimate for 2022 proposes that the cost could be around $1.63 at the outset. The typical cost range perhaps around $2.75. The greatest cost for the year end is anticipated to be around $2.25. The coin cost isn't supposed to increment radically in the year 2022 according to the estimate. In this way, the swipe digital currency market isn't giving an unexpected lucrative sign for those wanting to contribute for 2022, as it were. Swipe value expectation 2023. SXP cost expectation shows that the future cost of SXP during the underlying months will exchange at a greatest scope of $3 to $4, with a typical cost of $3.53. According to the gauge, the SXP cost is good for the year. On the off chance that the digital money market is bullish, Swipe can break the most extreme cost around the same time. Swipe value forecast 2024. Our gauge shows that Swipe will break the $5.56 obstruction level and make an unsurpassed high. The cost of SXP is bullish and is supposed to be around $6.43. Numerous brokers might acquire cash assuming they contribute in a calculated way. And our SXP token estimates show that the cost will not go underneath $5, which will be the most reduced cost of the coin in 2024. SXP value figure 2025. 5 years down the line, huge turns of events and acknowledgement of Swipe are supposed to occur. The coin will make an enormous spike and it will prompt an expansion in SXP cost. Our conjectures show that it will cross the $7 mark toward the finish of 2025. Long-haul financial backers might search for a decent chance for long-haul speculation. SXP value expectation 2026. Specialized arrangement demonstrates the cost of SXP could go to a bull run in the close to time. Swipe coin is supposed to exchange at a degree of $7.23